customers just a reminder, this is a World Trade Center bound E-train. World Trade Center bound E-train making local stops to World Trade Center. Going down 8th Avenue. Customers who need service on 6th Avenue, you can transfer to a D-train. At 59th Street Columbus Circle, if you need 6th Avenue, D-train. 59th Street Columbus Circle.
This is 72nd Street.
How are you doing?
This is a World Trade Center bound E-train. The next stop is 59th Street, Columbus Circle.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is 59th Street, Columbus Circle. Transfer is available to the 1